In this video, I got a new channel. It's the second one. It's called MoreZ Vlogs. Hope you subscribe to it. And I'm making a one like just to subscribe to my new channel, MoreZ Vlogs. And hope you enjoy. And hope you enjoy this channel. Hope you can get to like 50 subs or 100 would be fine. Yeah, we need to like build up stuff. Like, I just started this channel right now. And we build up. Like on my first channel, like it's so sick. Like I got like 600 views right now. Then like I want like 1,000 views or 10,000. That's fine, 10,000 views. Because I want you guys to enjoy this video and stuff. So hope you enjoy this video. Like not this video. Like hope you subscribe and do stuff.